on yet? Do the Metra Mph40 thing right?
It's rolling, Metra Mph40. Yeah, here's got a little derailment. This is Metra Mph40 running his Metra Mph40 wood connect train. Keep pushing, it looks good here.
Double engine.
Yeah, you're right, it is a double engine. You got a 36 on the back, don't you?
No.
Okay, keep going, that's pushing through, man, nice. I got a perfect look, there's another box going through. I wish I knew how to pause, but that's alright. Because you can actually walk around. Look, you're going to need some momentum. I'm going to get over here, watch. Use two hands up and down that bridge. I'll take a cool shot of the coyotes and the bear. The one, is it a lynx or a bobcat?
They're both the same thing.
Maybe you got too many cars on your mind.
Right. You know, I'll tell you about it when we're not recording the Metro. Alright, here it comes up and down the bridge. The hill, sorry. I got a good look here. Keep your hand high. Okay, watch the, hey, look at the front wheel. I see it, Metra Mph40. Okay. Oh, he's going through the bobcat zone. It's like a wildlife train, too.
Now just keep it on.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna
Right,
do
your
the
fans
inbound.
are going to want to hear Metra Mph40 talk, too.
I'm gonna do the inbound.
Okay, well, we don't want too long. Short videos get more attention.
How long has it been running?
Kids these days don't have a long sense of, here, hit the gates, because I thought I was going to be over there.
How long is the...
2 minutes. Once, remember the gates.
Yeah, I know.
Oh, it never crossed. Forget it, never mind. That's cool, we're watching you switch engine. Is it coming this way? I have to fix this.
Nope.
Look at the bridge.
It's in inbound.
Is it coming this way? Oh, it is an inbound.
What do you think an engine?
It's an Mph36, I can see it. Oh, look at that. That's cool. I got that whole thing. You can back them up. Alright, yeah, bring him across. I'm going to watch him pull through. Actually, it's pushing in. Alright, see ya. No, we're at 2:44, so I'll just keep it going for like 3 minutes. That's like the perfect video. Back in the day, videos can only do 3 minutes at a time of memory. Alright, see ya.
Wait,
Peace.
no.
Oh.
We're doing rush hour.
That's Snakyosaurus. Oh yeah, guys, don't forget to like,
And
share,
subscribe.
and subscribe to our channel. That's Metra Snakyosaurus. See ya.
Don't do it.
Oh, it's still rolling. What are you doing now?
We're doing it two in an inbound in and up one express.
All right, push it through here. It'll look cool. I see it. Come on. It's going. Now, if I was creative like that, you could take music and put it in there and all that. I was thinking him and I should get our own podcast where we read stories to kids. That's popular.
Inbound express.
Podcasts.
Okay, next. Pause. Okay.
All right.
See you later,
Say
guys.
goodbye.
Peace.
Thanks.